Okay, hi Mr. Bratton. This is our trigonometry concept quiz part 2. So the question that I did is Marie was 52 inches from the feet of a giraffe. In order to see the top of the giraffe, she needs to look up 50 degrees. What is the height of the giraffe? So basically what I did is I took tan 50 degrees equals opposite over adjacent. So the reason we are doing tangent 50 degrees is because I need to look up 50 degrees in order to see the top of the giraffe, which is opposite over adjacent, because the angle that you are using goes over to the side length, which is the height of the giraffe. So then I'm going to do tan 50 degrees equals x over 52, because x is the height of the giraffe and 52 is the inches from the feet of that I am standing from the feet of the giraffe. So then you divide both sides by, or you multiply both sides by 52, and you would get x equals 52 times tan 50, which then equals 61.97. So from the giraffe, what is the height of the giraffe? The height of the giraffe is 61.97 feet tall. And that is your answer.